hey there, people. Well, I woke up today to find out that Gasolean and his girlfriend are popping by tonight. Just like that. They're kind of just passing through town. They're going to BC to visit some family. So they're going to crash here tonight. They should be in town at about 2 a.m. So we're probably not going to get into too much trouble because I'm sure they'll be beat after all that driving. Anyway, we'll see what happens. And as far as my giveaway, I was going to do a random number generator, but we'll just get Gasolean to pick 2 numbers and I'll announce the winners at the end of the video. Right on. I can't control it. I can't. He's not that violent. That bad. Oh, not the face. I'm sorry. What's up, buddy?
Hello.
Hey. It'll calm down in a few seconds. It's a violent beast. That's why that 20-minute warning I would have told him, like, you're coming over here. Right? Hey. Tore off my nipple.
Mars, happy marriage.
How you doing? Oh, I know you now. I might as well give you your family now.
A trip down memory lane with Gasolean. Here you see the old Ford window here. Well, this right here was the very first sticker on that truck. This has been another episode of Memory Lane with Gasolean. Okay, we stole Marcel's camera. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for letting us stay here.
Thank you.
Not be a piece of shit and all fucking dirty, and I got to shower. And
You're starting to smell.
I smell when I left. What's the difference? Okay, so you won't have to have the forensics team in your bed. We didn't make it crazy.
We fell asleep instantly.
Oh yeah, thanks, man.
So the crew's all waking up. I decided to stay up all night because that's the way I roll sometimes. Go for breakfast. We're gonna go to the local diner, the eatery in Thorsby here. So we'll see what's up. Morning video.
Well, we took your camera. We show what we did last night in your bed.
Oh, did you?
So you better get ready to
The bedroom behind
burn your eyes.
Bedroom behind the bar. That's where it all happens.
Yeah. Behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Oh. Well.
Want to go for some scrambled eggs?
Yeah, we're going for breakfast.
Okay.
And then we're gonna hit some road. And we're gonna let Marcel do whatever it is he does.
No need for that. Well, in betweens. In betweens, maybe.
Hi, Abby. Nice to meet you too. Hey, relax.
There you go. You're pushing in the clutch? You
I was pushing in the clutch. No clutch in here.
So we're going for breakfast.
We'll see how long Mars can stay awake.
What do you mean?
Well, you've been up all night.
Restaurant's not open till 10. And it's 9:38. Wow.
All right.
Look at that thing. The trunk even pops open.
Check out the upgrades. Put a sound system in it. It's the same sound system that's in the van. Okay, check this out. See that exhaust tip right there? That's off my race car from last year, the HHR. Fuck yeah. And it's got like 14 pieces like welded onto it to like make it whatever. But the muffler that's on the car is her muffler off her race car today. From like this year.
That's funny.
All right, come this way. It's like MTV like car cribs. Check
But
out the
in
fucking
Thorsby,
light bar. It's dirty as fuck.
Thorsby, Alberta.
Shit.
Oh, look at the license plate just folded nicely.
Well, it's just for the light bar, right?
Oh yeah. Does it work?
Oh yeah.
Let's see it.
It's dirty as all fuck.
Steph wanted to put a wing on my car and I said no.
I wanted to French.
No wing?
No wing.
Oh yeah. Oh, I feel the heat. actually off of it. That's some hot shit there. It's a nice car. It just looks rough because it's dirty, that's all. You can tell it's sexy. Alright, let's see if we can get in earlier. We came a long way.
Around the other side, dude. That's the bar. That's the bar. That's not gonna be
that-
open.
That's my favorite part.
We don't open till 10, but if you're just here for coffee, you can come in.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll do that. With no like speech.
Just take out your phone and do it.
Two numbers. I'll just sit. How come I've been recording the whole time? Are you serious? In pocket recorder. Pocket recorder. Yeah. 0 to 150.
So what if I pick something that's not a winner?
Well, it's closest to.
Yeah, if you
Oh,
pick a
close.
number it's not a winner, you get it.
Oh, okay.
Really?
151.
Yeah.
Okay, so the two numbers I'm gonna pick.
Well, we got a grinder or the one hitter.
Okay, well, it doesn't matter.
Well, it does
Oh,
because
okay.
they're two.
Yeah.
You got to
Okay.
pick two numbers.
Okay, the grinder will go Heinz 57,
Okay.
and the one hitter will go 121.
Done.
Done.
Done. Dun, 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 dun.
That's it. That's all.
America.
What are you doing? Videotaping him without his knowledge?
Well, my viewers are gonna be upset if like he's here and we didn't do any video.
You didn't do any last night?
No. I didn't want to, because you guys were so tired. Like I didn't want to put my camera in your face, right?
You wouldn't care. Got pictures with my kid for God's sakes. I don't know what I was thinking.
Because Eric doesn't like cameras in his face. You gotta respect that.
Yeah, but taking a picture with my kid is a different thing than video. Whatever, get it on my face.
See? Exactly.
She's just like, ooh.
His face gloss down there.
Super
Yeah,
white.
he showed us everything.
You're gonna show your age there.
That's good. At least he remembered that. Yeah.
Get-
So obviously we know the winning numbers. 57 for the grinder, 121 for the one hitter. Going through my comments, Zach Todd, he guessed 57, but he didn't say which one he wanted. Like I clearly said,
just tell me which one you want. Leave me a number between 1 and 150.
well, Mr. Zach Todd, I feel so bad, buddy. Like, it is what it is, I guess. Anyway, the winner of the grinder is CJ Corrigan. His number was 54. So CJ, send me your address and all that, PM me, and I'll send that out to you. And the winner of the one hitter is Lee Halverson. He guessed right on the money, 121. So Lee, send me your address, PM me, and I'll get that out to you, buddy. Anyway, people, thanks a lot for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. Big, big cheers. We'll talk to you guys later. Why are you doing that, Scrappy? You're so funny. Go again. Fast, fast. Check these chops out. Oh yeah.